Watching this video. My name is Tarun Rati and welcome to TheBreedBusiness.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own pet print car seat cover empire. Now, car seat cover is a very unique and a new product in e-commerce world that very few people are actually using it properly. I have had a customers in the breed business who have built their complete empire of dropship business model using the custom car seat covers. All right. So what are you going to learn today? I'm going to show you car plus breed model. That is how you can leverage a specific car model and a breed to hyper targeted the potential customer. And of course, as you know, there are like literally unlimited car models and different kind of breeds. Then this is a hyper target market. Recommended selling price for car seat cover would be $79.99. And the cost CPA is cost per acquisition. That means you should not spend more than $15 to acquire one customer. So guys, this is a super awesome margin. Okay, so let's see. This is the sample website, and first of all, you can of course search for the car seat covers on aliexpress.com. But to be very true, I have tried to find few of a good car seat covers here, but I don't know, I cannot find the right one, not on the AliExpress. But if you are already the breed business member, then that means you have a whole lot of a huge stock of designs to promote. All right, here we go. See, that's the benefit of being the breed business member. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then you can definitely go to thebreedbusiness.com and just go through how you can have this beautiful store. But for now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can promote these hyper targeted car seat cover. Like for example, this is a Rottweiler print car seat cover. This is Dalmatian. This is like border collie. We have cow print. We have pug print, and we have so many beautiful car seat covers. And I'm sure, as the breed business member, you must be having the same. Okay, so first thing you need is you need to download this image. Let's go with the Rottweiler. I hope I'm pronouncing it right, because English is not my native language. Let me try. So it's called a Rottweiler print car seat covers. And here, first of all, you need to save this image. For that, you can right click and click on save image as. This is going to save it in one of the folder. And then the primary thing is how you are going to target this particular seat cover so that you can get the maximum sales. All right. So for that, let's get to Facebook ads tool. This is the interface of the Facebook ads tool that is from the business manager. This is one of my sample account. Conversions should always be conversions. That means we are looking for sales, nothing less than that. And you can name it with the breed name, which is, let me just copy it. That is, and let me name my campaign as car seat covers. This is the way I name my campaign so that it is easier to know, to compare results. Now you click on continue, and now this is the main thing. This is where all the magic happens. This is where you need to choose the right audience and targeting, right? And this is where most of the people fail, because they are not able to set it right. They are not able to find it right. But today I am going to show you exactly the right settings to promote these hyper targeted covers. For that, let's just go with purchase, and let me name it as. Now guys, naming it is a little bit tricky, but for now let me just call it car seat cars general. Okay, and a country should be wherever you want to promote. as the Breed Business member. You can ship worldwide, or even if you are selling from AliExpress, I guess most of the sellers, they offer the worldwide shipping. Rest everything, let us leave like that. Okay, so now this is the cream of the system. It's called detailed targeting. Then how do we start creating a campaign here? First of all, as we are planning to promote retailer print car seat cover, then we of course need to copy this Breed, and let's see if we have this particular interest on Facebook. And yes, we do have that, so we are going to choose every of one of them so that we can have the maximum audience. So here I can see that we have a size of 3.5 million, which is more than enough to get started. Okay. However, now this is not that targeted, because right now, if I'm going to start this campaign, then Facebook will show our ad to anyone who has liked or who owns this particular dog breed. All right, but who might not necessarily be interested in that specific product. So how are we gonna hyper target it? For that, what you need to do is you need to narrow the audience by clicking on narrow audience button. So I recommend to create multiple campaigns, but how are we going to hyper target it? We are going to look for the results for the specific car model types. All right, so now you might think that which particular car model should we target. For that, there is a simple thing. You can go to google.com. Let me just do it for you. Let me go to uh, google.com. All right, and then let me type top car models in 2017. Top car models sold in USA in 2017. Okay, and here Google shows you the exact model. Guys, not just car. You're talking about the exact model, and here Google shows you the exact car model. For example, first one is Hyundai Elantra. So what you can do is you can copy this and go back to your ad manager, and in the narrow audience, just paste it. And we have exact car model here. So let's see how many. Okay, guys, this shows the target of 12,000 people. Now you might think like 12,000 is pretty much less, but it doesn't matter because we have hundreds of car models, we have hundreds of pet breeds. So what we are looking here is the overall structure. We are not looking to get huge sales from one design. Rather, we are looking to get many small, like less sales from many designs. Okay, so for example, in this particular model, this particular ad set, you can name it as Hyundai Elantra. Okay, and if for some reason you are very tight on the budget and you think you cannot test many models, then what you can do is you can go with a broad model. For example, instead of going with Hyundai Elantra, you can go with the Hyundai. But in that case, reach is around 200,000 people. See, I follow a rule of thumb. For every 100,000 people, in my budget, I go with $10. Like if 100,000 is $10, if 200,000 is $20. So because it says 190,000, that means near about 200,000 people, then the budget should be around $20 for this. That's my recommended one. If you can go with more, you can test with more, because we need to give some time to Facebook to adjust the pixel, get us the right kind of buyers. But if you want to include only Hyundai, which is a generic term of car model, then I would say it is very broad. We don't need to do that. We have option not to do that because we have many breeds and many car models. And how about we create one group for Hyundai Elantra, plus Rottweilers, and then we can group one group for Rottweil. Again, I apologize for the my pronunciation for this specific dog breed name. Let me call it a dog, not Rottweiler every time, because I don't know if it's right or not. But the point is, breed name plus Chevrolet Cruze, breed name plus Ford Fusion plus Nissan Sentra. So you can see these are just the top 10 best-selling cars of 2017. So suppose if we are doing a Pug campaign, Pug car seat cover, then we can do Pug plus Hyundai Elantra. So what does this do? This actually proves the point that Facebook should show our ad to someone who knows or who own a pet, a specific breed like Pug, Rottweiler, Chihuahua, and who should love, who should like or own a specific car model like Hyundai Elantra, Chevrolet Cruze, Ford Fusion, Nissan Sentra. So this way, just think about it. This way, we are hyper targeting it. So, but what's next is you need to make sure that your specific ad also should let the viewer know that you know that they own the specific car and specific breed. All right. So for that, what you're going to do is you will simply go to your page, Facebook page. This is my sample Facebook, and you create a post here, like, and for that, all you need to do is just go to write post and write. Suppose if you're doing Rottweiler campaigns, in that case, I can copy this name, paste it here, lower, lower. This is the perfect, perfect seat covers for your Hyundai Elantra. Get yours, or you can say order now, order yours, and here you need to paste the link like this, and then just upload the picture. For example, oh, not to the album, not to the album. So you just go and upload a picture of your specific car seat cover. Here we go. So as you can see, what we have done here is we have asked the Rottweiler lover to get his specific seat cover for the specific car model that we assume he owns, because that's what Facebook is showing. Now, there are chances he won't own Elantra. In that case, there is a possibility that he might own some different Hyundai model. It doesn't matter, you know. Point is, we need to follow what Facebook is showing us. And by mixing two specific fields, two specific level of interest, a dog breed and the car model, we are trying to reach a super, super, super targeted buyer. Okay, so all you have to do is just click on this and then click on share now. So once this ad is approved, it is going to go to all the Hyundai Elantra owners who also own Rottweilers or who have shown interest or who have liked a page specifically related to this breed, right? Now think about it. How many kind of seat covers do we have in the breed business itself? We have like many. We have hundreds of seat covers covering different breeds, different models. We even have unicorn, we have Boston Terrier, we have Labrador, we have Afghan Hound. So you need to keep one breed plus all the car model. How I do it is you need to choose one breed and then go with the top 10 car models, the one that Google shows us, which is all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 car models here and two more there. So this way you will have almost 10 campaigns, 10 assets for one specific product, so over the time when you start running these ads, let them run for a week or so, and then you can realize which one is actually selling the most. So once you find the result, then what you can do is you can remove the specific model and you can target the company, instead of targeting Hyundai Elantra like here, you can simply go with Hyundai because your pixel is already pretty mature to go with the broad audience. But best part here is you have so many breeds and so many car models that you have endless supply of products to promote. And if you have ever done Facebook ads and if you're aware about dropship business model or how you can target interest on Facebook, then you can understand the power of hyper targeting, how our specific ad is connecting with the audience of a specific car model, right? So once you've done a specific dog breed, for example, this is Rottweiler, then you can do same, you can duplicate the whole thing. And instead of Rottweiler, you can go with Pug like this. So now you have 14,000 people. Who are these people? These are the people who owns Hyundai Elantra and Pug. And now you're going to present them something on their Facebook which asks them to buy a beautiful Pug print car seat cover for their Hyundai Elantra. Can you think about it? Like it's so targeted. That is why I call it hyper targeted method of targeting custom seat covers, right? So you all you need to do is repeat it with the next model. Let's see if we're gonna change it to Chevrolet Cruze here. Do we have that? Yes, we have Chevrolet Cruze, and we are going to remove Hyundai Elantra. Make sure you have one breed and one car model in one ad set. So we have 29,000 people. These are the people who own Pug as a dog and they drive Chevrolet Cruze. So what should our ad say? Let's go back to the advertisement. Our ad should say something like Pug lover, or you can say like, I'm sure your English is way better than mine. So you can say, love your Pug. Here's here's your perfect seat covers for, I think it's a cruise car, Chevrolet Cruze or something. Once again, they're like, wow. They're on their mobile phone, they're on their computers, and they see, first of all, they actually wonder, like, how do they know which car or which dog the particular person owns? That's the beauty of the whole thing. And once they realize that, then it's a matter of time before they're going to click it and buy it. But as I always said, not every design is a winner. You need to keep testing different breed plus car models, right? You should not stop at one. Just keep on testing more and more combinations. And once you start finding your winners, scale them. Okay, increase the budget a little bit. Start from $5, go to $10, $20, $30. That's how you're gonna do it. I call it scaling horizontally, not vertically, but scaling by number of campaigns. Increasing our budget should be a lateral thing. This should be done later on. So this is the way you're going to do it, and this is the target CPA if you want it to be a most profitable campaign. And again, if you're not the Breed Business member yet, then you can simply go to tbbplatinum.com and grab your the Breed Business plan, which with over 6,000 products. Further on, you can simply go to a sample website, awlice.com, and you are going to get exactly same store developed for you. Guys, we don't have many people who have that, so the competition is very limited. And if you are already a member, then make sure you're going to test a lot of campaigns, because we are moving towards the holiday season, the most profitable part of the year. So make sure you do not miss that. All right, thank you for watching this video, and I'm going to come up with a lot more videos. So if you're watching it on YouTube, then make sure you subscribe. And if you're watching it my blog, then again, you can comment and let me know if you don't understand anything. In case, if you have a question, you can email me directly at vip@thebreedbusiness.com. I am the person who replies personally to all my customers. All right. There's no support desk or some kind of executives. Everything in support is done by me. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Just go and make some money. Bye-bye.